At our office, we offer the non-surgical periodontal therapy called LANAP. LANAP stands for Laser Assisted New Attachment Procedure and is performed with an ND-YAG laser specifically made to target the bacteria that causes the gum disease. LANAP is the first and only FDA-approved laser gum disease procedure that is an alternative to the traditional painful scalpel and suture gum surgery. Most of the patients, when they have to go through the surgery, find it very uncomfortable, and after having half the mouth done, prefer not to finish the other half. With the LANAP procedure, there is no downtime, there is no pain because you're anesthetized while you're doing it. Post-op discomfort is very minimal. It's a no-cut, no-sew alternative to traditional gum surgery. We can effectively kill a lot more bacteria, and on the other hand, we can also regenerate some new bone, and we have saved many teeth this way. There's no bleeding, no sutures involved, so patients find it to be a very comfortable procedure and an alternative to the scalpel and suturing. At Dr. Cho's office, we've been offering this for the last 12 years and are one of the first offices in Orange County that have been able to provide this service.